Shop says they changed the alternator and now the AC doesn't work. And I just hooked up. I just started it. We have equal temperatures, basically. Equal pressures. And well, what's they usually tell you? You're a shop and one of your guys puts an alternator on, and then immediately after, the AC doesn't work. Now, they didn't disconnect accidentally or try to remove or disconnect the line and let out the refrigerant, because there's still refrigerant in there and there's plenty of it. And so they didn't do that. They didn't bust the line because there's still refrigerant in there. And what is that? Look at my fingertip. Let me go right way down there. You see that little thing there? Let me see if I can zoom in on that. Where are you at? I lost you. There you go. What does that, at the tip of my fingertip, what does that look like? And where's the alternator? Right above that somewhere. Well, let's go down there and take a look. Really? You're gonna call me out here because your guy put in an alternator and your AC doesn't work. Oh, it's not the compressor control, displacement control. That's plugged in. There we go. There we go. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, I don't have no lights on. Sorry, guys. But what do we got there? We got a little pluggy wuggy there, and we got a pluggy wuggy right there, and they look like they're not being too intimate right now. So we need a little KY lube, and we'll put her in there, or put him in her, and we'll get something going on. All right, I got to put down the phone. I need to get my other finger, but really, you call me out here for this? Okay, well, that's $227. Not my problem. All right, well, if it doesn't work after I do that, there'll be a second video. Other than that, that's wasting your shop's money. Like, you can't get your technician of what? So we supposedly have A level, B level, and C level. So if you only hire C level, and they can't go back and check something like that and just go, AC don't work, call AC guy. I don't mind the money, but I don't want to make this kind of money. I want shops not to make these kind of mistakes, because for me to come out here and charge just to come here and hook in a plug is a little ridiculous. I feel sorry for the owner, because this makes the owner lose, owner mad at technician, technician mad at job, less profits for the shop, less bonus or raise for technicians. And a little rat problem. See you guys later.